Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in with credentials that can view billing, root, or an IAM user with billing permissions. Once signed in, click your account name in the top bar and open the billing dashboard so you land directly on cost controls. If you manage multiple linked accounts, make sure to select the payer account. Otherwise, you'll see only the linked account's charges. This step matters because the payer consolidates charges and displays the overall cost and allocations for all linked accounts. Next, you'll analyze where costs originate. Open Cost Explorer to visualize trends, set a custom date range and group by service or tag to spot spikes. Then open the Bills page to see itemized charges by account, service, and region so you can attribute specific expenses. If you need raw data, enable and download the Cost and Usage Report, which gives hourly per-source line items. This lets you reconcile invoices and feed analytics tools. Make sure to apply any cost allocation tags you rely on before exporting. Finally, you set protections and handle problems. Create budgets with alerts at thresholds like 80% to prevent surprises. Once done, you'll get emails or SNS notifications when limits approach. If charges look wrong, collect the invoice and the Cost and Usage Report, then open an AWS support case to dispute. Include timestamps and examples. For prevention, enable IAM billing access, require MFA on billing users, and review CloudTrail for unusual provisioning. One troubleshooting tip: if data seems
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.